Alright, tech fanatics, get ready! Today we're diving deep into the foldable phone war. We've got the heavyweight champion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold8 Ultra, going head-to-head with the impressive challenger, the Vivo X Fold5. Who will reign supreme? Let's find out. When unfolded, both offer expansive canvases for productivity and entertainment. The Vivo just edges out Samsung, giving you slightly more screen real estate for an immersive experience. Here, Vivo clearly takes the lead. Its sharper display means everything from text to videos will look incredibly crisp and detailed on that big screen. Both boast stunning AMOLED 120Hz screens, but Vivo pushes brightness and color depth even further. Vivo dominates with insane peak brightness. Samsung offers robust protection and an anti-reflective coating. Samsung flexes with its cutting-edge Elite Gen 5, promising unparalleled raw power. Vivo, with its Gen 3, is still incredibly fast, but a generation behind. Samsung's custom Orion cores hint at superior multitasking and efficiency. Both are powerhouses, but Samsung looks poised for the win here. For gamers and graphic-intensive tasks, Samsung's Adreno 840 is the undisputed champion. Expect smoother frame rates and stunning visuals on the Fold 8 Ultra. The benchmarks speak for themselves. Samsung absolutely crushes the competition, showcasing a mind-blowing leap in raw performance. It's in a league of its own. Samsung throws down the gauntlet with a massive main sensor, promising incredible detail and light capture. Both offer versatile triple camera setups with optical zoom for distant shots. Vivo's larger wide sensor and periscope telephoto also deliver impressive results. It's a close call, but Samsung's sheer megapixel count and advanced PDF could give it an edge in resolution and focusing speed. Both shoot stunning 8K, but Samsung steps up with 10-bit HDR and higher frame rates, offering more cinematic and vibrant video recording options. Samsung excels in low light with advanced nightography. Vivo counters with professional Zeiss optics and unique AI features for creative shots. Vivo doubles down with high-resolution selfie cameras on both displays, perfect for crisp self-portraits and video calls. Samsung provides a versatile ultra-wide option for group selfies on its main screen, plus a solid cover camera. For sheer detail in your selfies, Vivo has the edge, but Samsung offers more flexibility with its ultra-wide. Vivo absolutely crushes it here with a significantly larger battery. Expect longer usage times and less range anxiety compared to Samsung. Samsung offers S Pen and desktop features. Vivo boasts robust protection and unique AI integrations. Vivo offers incredible value, significantly undercutting Samsung's premium price tag.